already checked in. TG250 to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. I got myself a seat 63A window seat. I don't know if someone is going to be sitting next to me. Let's hope not. It's going to be Airbus A330. So, hour and a half flight. Should be okay. All right. See you on the plane. Gate 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to Terminal 2. And for Gate 1, 2, 3, then you go to Terminal 1. It's confusing, but it's just a precaution that things like this may happen to you. But you won't be lost because you will be told. They know that things like this do happen all the time. Let's go.สวัสดีครับขออนุญาตผม63อัลฟานู่นเลยขอบคุณมากครับ Stands an airline they call We reach for the sky Like a star shining in the night, our future glows laser bright. We are tired and we reach for the sky. We reach for the sky. For the sky, like a bird on the wing, we reach for the sky. Landed at the Bangkok International Airport. Hope you like the clip. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. Check out my other Thai Airways video. Thank you very much. See you guys later. Bye.